don't tell yourself no, because you know, like when I met Paris for the first time and went up to him and said, "Hey, Paris, what do I have to do to be a mentee or a copy cub?" And he goes, "No, I'm not taking copy cubs ever again. I'm sick. I'm not doing it." I said, "Yeah, but when you are, like, you know." He goes, "Well, no, I'm not going to do it." Next time I see him, I said, "Paris, about that cubbing thing." He goes, "I'm not taking cubs." So the next time I saw him, I said, "Paris, do you know that I can actually read palms?" "What?" I said, "Yeah, I'm like a woo-woo psychic teacher, you know, all that sort of stuff." I said, "I can read palms." I said, "Give me your hand, I'll show you." And so then I thought, he fell for this. Anyway, so I'm looking at his palm and go, "My God, you're going to have a female mentee from Australia, first female mentee from Australia ever, and she has the same initials as you. My God." Anyway, he's just standing there and he just goes, "Oh, that was good." So next time I saw him, it's like, "Hey, Paris." He goes, "Oh, send me an email." I went, "All right, what's your email address?" Send him an email straight away, you know, like. His no wasn't a solid no, though. Like, you've got to respect people, but you just know if something is so important to you, just go for it. Go full out. As I said, if it's important to you, you will do exactly what you need to do.